Hey, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? What are you guys watching? Actually, let me tell my Discord people to come on first. How was everyone's trading day? Hopefully, it was good. I am watching Etsy. I hope you guys actually watch our last Benzinga video as we called out a bunch of plays here. I'm not home right now, as you can see. I'm actually setting up an Airbnb up here in Virginia. But I am still here to kill the market. So if you guys have any tickers you guys want me to look at, let me know, and we'll go over those. If you guys have any tickers you want me to check out on callsorputs.com to see if there's any sweeps, let me know as well. We'll get right into that. Etsy. Why am I looking at Etsy? We have earnings coming up, and this looks like a prime ripper. It looks very, very good. I mean, the technicals are to the T. I think we are going to rip into earnings. The MACD is also showing that it's curling up, the beginning of the curl up. RSI is a little to the overbought side, but that's because we had multi-day run-ups. But I don't think the retracement would be much. And if anything, I think we retraced already, and we have the 20 DMA here as support. But this is a classic flag breakout, as you can see here. Very nicely played out. And we did get into it today yesterday. As I'll show you guys here, it was alerted in the options trade. Multiple trades today. We're actually in square short. We played square for the upside, but yeah, here you go. Etsy had a 79% and a 59%. And square we did play yesterday. When it ran up like crazy. We actually played this one at the bottom, which was here. And I did not think that it would just rip like that without stopping at all. Like this is insane. And, we had volume on it, and the momentum was crazy. I mean, if you look at the prior ones, look at all of these red candles that we had, like a slow, steady climb. But this was just 3 days of rippers. I think this was because Square said it. Oh, shoot. It went up after hours, but let's see. But, yeah, apparently. Hey, what's up, Scar? Woof. Welcome. Yeah, hopefully we get some retracement, honestly, because I am in a short, but even if I lose it, it's all right. We kind of killed this ticker, and I'm not playing with a heavy position. But to finish this, I think we have one more leg down, probably over here, where we should then explode even higher. This was because of the whole banking situation, I believe. So, Puppy. Oh, geez. Yeah, you do be in and out of the chat. Nice to see you, though. Yeah, I think we should come back down here before we continue higher. I don't think the triangle is complete, especially with a move like this. I think a retracement should be coming sometime soon. However, there's catalysts, online banking. I guess that's what everyone was waiting for on Square. So this could just keep running. I don't know, but I am in a short position. So just be careful, because we are reacting to supply here. This was actually posted prior to it happening, but as you can see, we are in supply, and it rejected it. However, they come back strong. Let's see if we get some continuation or maybe some downside. Again, I'm playing the downside. But Etsy, I do think that we are going to go a lot higher. We tested demand again here, and I think this is just the beginning of the run. I think we should break our prior high. Obviously, it's not. I don't think it's going to be as crazy as Square. I mean, maybe earnings is right around the corner, August 4th, so 2 weeks from now. I know they're probably going to run this upwards into earnings. Will we break the prior high? I don't know, simply because if we do get to the prior high, that's close to a 20% move. So that's definitely a lot. Like from here up to here would be a 25% move within 2 weeks. I don't know if it would do it without earnings. Maybe with earnings, we could get a lot of upside. But again, things move in sequences, and I don't expect it to just rocket. I would love for it to just rocket because I still have 2 contracts on this thing after scaling out. But 25% move, yeah, I'm gonna be a little more realistic. I don't think we're gonna get that. Let's see what other tickers we said we were going to watch. We said we were gonna watch SPRT. Let me check that out. Rumor. I will wait for dip but love upside. Let's see. First off, let's go over SOFI. This is one of the trades I've been watching, and it's been doing like a slow creep, and we just broke out of our bullish wedge over here. As you can see, we got huge volume coming in to break that, and then I think we retested it today. Yeah, so we came back into demand and we retested it. I think we have a lot of upside. SOFI, definitely a long-term investment play. I think I only took like 600 shares. I'm selling contracts on it. But I do plan to maybe play some longer-term leaps. I think we have a lot of upside to go. This is a minor retracement. This is an obvious, what's that called? What is that word? God. Not an ending diagonal, a leading diagonal. This is an obvious leading diagonal right here. And for wave 2, we typically retrace to 0.61%. So let's see. I'm not sure if this. So if we could get back down here into demand, that would actually be a perfect entry. 15.50 maybe. Around here, I think we will come down a little, but it looks really good. The projection will probably be around here. So, and then wave 3 is usually the most explosive move, so it should take us above the 20-day moving average. But this is what I think of SoFi right now, and I think this is it is going to be a huge winner in the long term. So, and as you can see, we had huge volume in this demand. Obviously, there's buyers, but always remember, whenever there's buyers, there's always sellers. That's what trades are: a buyer and a seller, and then you get the matching point. But obviously, this is a point of interest. So take note. SoFi, I really, really like it for the future. It's an investment for me, not really a trade. It might make it into a trade, but as of right now, I am still holding shares. Live chat. So SPRT, let's check that out. You want to see the sweeps or you want to see a technical? Support.com. What is this? Never heard of this. Let's see if there's any sweeps over here. This could be a closing. Although it says bearish, understanding the sweeps is very important. Something that is like this, that's deep in the money. This could be a potential sell to open. And also, as you can see here, size is 500, but volume is 1,000. So this could be a potential closing. Let's see all activity, because yeah, there was a bunch that were open today. There was, let's see, 10. Oh, there was none of those, but yeah, majority of them are bullish. And this one right here, the potential opening, although it's a put, I do think it's a bullish signal just because the size is half of volume. Oh, clean crypto mining company. But yeah, something like this where the strike is above the spot and it's deep in the money put already, it is a potential sell to open. Expiration is further out. So let's see what the technicals show. One, two, three. I mean, if this is I don't know if this is potentially a 2 here. If this is wave 3, it cannot retrace back past this 5.32. But then this is such a small cap stock with barely any history. So I would say your nearest buy level that can offer a buying opportunity would probably be right here. And it's somewhat far. Are you in it already or what? Are you in the trade, or you're trying to get into the trade, or what exactly? Because I'm trying to figure out if you're trying to enter it, I'll give you the nearest buy levels. But if you're looking for a potential sell, we got to look at something else. I think there's the nearest buy zone. Besides that, let's see, maybe here. It's such a small cap stock that you're not gonna really, especially when it moves up that much, you're not gonna have much to base it off of, and you know the price history is like relatively low. So I would say we're bullish just because I see this sweep right here. Seems like a sell to open. If not, this is a 100% closing trade. So I am bullish on this. I don't know what this company is. I don't know the valuation. Let's actually check the valuation. Compared to the other mining companies, maybe it has room to run. What is the float? We don't know. SPRT. Oh, I think this might actually have room to wait. I mean, the description of this company is like, it doesn't say that it's a clean mining company. It could just be like one of those pump and dumps. I don't know, unless they recently changed into a clean mining company. It says it provides cloud-based technology for service providers, retailers, and stuff of that sort. So I don't see how this is a clean mining company. If it is a clean mining company, I mean, I think in terms of valuation, it has a long way to go. But I don't know exactly what this is. Actually, it looks really good. This is potentially a Head and Shoulders too. Actually, I might actually get into this. Oh, where's the curve? Right here. I could still never get like used to freaking TradingView, no matter how much I use it. I mean, I'm still relatively new to this. Used to use TD. But yeah, this looks pretty good. I think you have an inverted Head and Shoulders formation. If this is a clean mining company like you say it is, in terms of valuation, you have a long way to go. Tesla. Oh, Wish. Tesla is one of the ones that we've played a lot. I am long-term bearish on Tesla. I think earnings is coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. The 26th. When is that? Oh, next week, Monday. Yeah, SPRT does look good. I'm actually going to post this into our Discord watch list. SPRT. So I'm gonna look into this a little more. Yeah, this is where we put all our thingy majingies. But Tesla, are you long right now? And Christopher Allen, I remember you from last time. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us today. But Tesla, I'm long-term bearish, and it's still rejecting that 20-day moving average. This was a huge supply. Everyone thought that it was going to continue higher, and we actually called this out on our Benzinga video, saying that it's going to go down. And from there, it actually went down a good amount. We took a short on this as well, went down 10%. But I'm long-term bearish. I am still bearish. It seems like it's still rejecting supply over here. What do you have, calls or puts? Who was it that asked? Uberino. You have a YOLO call or a YOLO put? Because I think this is actually, in the market, it went up today, yet it's showing relative weakness, honestly. It went down $6 today, even though the whole market was actually going. But I mean, you could have people buying up into earnings, but it should have been start already. I mean, tomorrow's Friday, earnings is Monday, and usually people buy up Tesla into earnings, which is pretty weird that they're not this time. And as you can see, you get that huge move off of supply. So I am bearish on this, brother. Oh, you have a YOLO call. I wish you the best of luck, Uberino. Yes, Sam. No, I am not Sam. I am not in Airbnb calls, and I regret it, man. I took a loss on that. I think I took like a 20% loss or something of that sort. But man, I would have been up a good amount of money right now if I actually stood in it. But it was the whole market crash that well, not market crash, market correction that made me get out of it. But it's all right. I mean, I caught Square on the way up. I caught Etsy, so that's paying. And yeah, this is the new Airbnb, brother. So if you can see, this is one of the rooms. I was actually setting up the TV. Actually, let me show you guys. I mean, we have the living room being set up. There's the kitchen. I mean, it's honestly almost done, but this is one of the nicer rooms that I am in right now. Should bring us a good amount of money that I will use to trade as well. But Tesla, yeah, good luck to you. Evening Chance, how's that BNTX chart look? Let's check that out. Oh, Zoom. Wait, I have to check out Zoom first. Let's go in order. Oh, wait, Wish. Nick Johnson. Sorry, I completely skipped you. I think I saw Wish somewhere. Let me see. This is a hard one because I'm seeing 5 waves down from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless this is a... This was such... You see, the thing with meme stocks is that it's so hard because you don't know. So much things are news dependent that sometimes technicals are just... If we're able to hold this 61.7 or in 0.78, then this could be potentially a wave 2 correction. So you will have some upside. I think there was a sweep for this actually. I think someone's playing the upside. Someone's playing the upside for August 13. This is definitely an opening position. Are you in this already? Who was it? Nick Johnson, are you in this trade already or no? Because the sweep itself looks good. I mean, $100,000 is not a lot, but this is definitely an opening position. Yeah, I think Wish was. You see, that's why I don't like to trade these because it's such a it's unpredictable just because it got pumped so freaking hard. But if it's able to hold this fib level, then I will assume that this is a wave 2 correction and it will go higher from here. This person is down right now a little bit since he got in at 9.65 and it's currently at 9.45. I mean, not down much. Are you in long-term calls or are you in actual commons, like actual shares? Because if you have actual shares, I do think Wish is going to do well in the long term. And you got this call right now. In terms of technicals, as long as it holds above this level, I do think that we have some upside from here. If this is a wave 2, wave 3 is usually the most explosive wave. So this could definitely take out this level right here at 14.99. Would I take this? I probably won't just because I am not a fan of meme stocks. But good luck to you. As long as we hold this level. So if you want, write it down, 9.18 and 10.47. As long as we remain above, look for a move to break the prior wave 1 high, which is 1505. Good luck to you. Zoom. Zoom actually doesn't look bad. Let's see. Do we have anything for Zoom? Oh, look, you got it. I mean, this almost hit the algo, but Chance AI is not 1 or above. For August, a 400 strike price. If I am counting this correctly, this should be 1, 2, 1, 2. This should be the end of wave 3, and this is a correction right here. 1 second. Let me just chart this out for you. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to figure out if this is already the ABC. I don't think so though. I think we might have a little more room down. 5, 3, 5. I think right now you probably have the relief bounce. 1 second, let me show you. So this is ABC 1. Oh wait, no, actually, no. I think this is. I don't think this is. I don't think it finished the correction. I think it's gonna do something like this. Then you could probably get back in near maybe here. I'm not sure. You're gonna have 3 waves for this relief bounce, so it's probably gonna look something like this, and then you're gonna continue downwards to this level. Potentially, these are all projections, so it has to be something that trading is constantly changing. So depending on what happens, you have to constantly adjust your projection. But as of right now, I'm seeing 5 waves down, which suggests a ABC relief bounce. And that's why I think we're going to go to 379-ish maybe and come back down. I mean, we have earnings around the corner. Earnings next month, the 31st. I don't know if people are going to buy up into earnings or maybe buy up into earnings for this relief bounce and then maybe earnings to catapult down before going higher. As of right now, it doesn't look like a trade that I like. BNTX. Biotech. Man, Biotech, like you can't even there's really no point. I mean, depending on like if they're waiting for something, there's really no point of even looking at a chart. Obviously, this is a no immediately for me. I mean, you ran like in terms of an entry, you ran 50%. This is automatically a no-go for me, especially if I'm playing if I was going to play the upside, because I mean, why would I go in after it made a 50% move? Are you in it right now? Like are you looking for like a price target perhaps? Because I mean, you don't even there's nothing to base this off of. You're at all-time highs. So there's literally nothing that you could really look at in terms of price target or anything like that. This is a no-go for me in terms of entry. Good eye on Zoom. Yeah, is that what you're seeing too, DJ Bootson? I mean, as traders, we have to be very open and potentially see what might happen or what might not, and opinions obviously matter. But this is what I'm seeing. I do think that if this is the wave one and you're looking for an A equals C projection, you're probably looking at, and actually it matches perfectly. See? An A equals C projection would mean that we might come back down to this 315 level. Who knows? I mean, you have the Delta variant. These things are all based on literally what's going to happen. I mean, if the Delta variant turns out to be as crazy as everyone says, and people gotta possibly stay at home more or homeschool, then this would like go crazy. So again, not a trade I'll take. The trades I'm looking at right now are SOFI, Etsy. For the people who just got in here, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, please. I only do this to like just help people out. Oh, Bumble, let's check that out. That was a recent IPO. Maybe we could get some eyes looking on that. But hi from Portugal. Hi to you from Virginia. Etsy, guys. Etsy. I really, really, really like Etsy setup, and I think we are going to go a lot higher, maybe to this 237 area. Obviously, it's going to take time. Things moving. Oh, okay. You're long SoFi and Etsy. Good stuff. I'll check out Path after Bumble since we're going in order. But please, guys, please hit that thumbs up button if you guys find it useful. I'm really doing this just to help people. I was trying to focus on my Airbnb, but I know I gotta make sure I help out my Benzinga friends. We usually call trades here every show, and they tend to work out, like Tesla, Bond, and a bunch of other ones, Snapchat. So make sure to tune in. This is every Thursday at 6 p.m. EST. Do you know anything about V? We will check that out in a bit. Okay, now let's look at which one was the next one. Bumble. Anyways, guys, Etsy. I really like Etsy. I can't stress it enough. We just broke out of the flag, and I think we got a lot of room to go, especially running into earnings. Bumble. All right. Yeah, Bumble actually looks good. I will look for a pullback. I'm seeing 5 waves here. This is a pretty clear 5 wave. Oh wait, actually no, it violates rule 1, 2, 1. It does violate a rule, but in terms of this, if this is an ABC correction, you can see the obvious rejection here. And this is wave 1. We're seeing some resistance here at this 20-day moving average. Wave 2 typically retraces to 0.61 to 0.78. If this is the pivot top, look for an entry near 48.41. This thing came down pretty hard, actually. Yeah, IPO'd at 80, and then it went. I like Bumble and it's up 7% today. Oh, I hate going into trades after they ran up, so I'm definitely gonna wait for an entry. 1 second. Let me check out Bumble versus Match. Bumble looks great, I think, for a long-term investment. A valuation of 9.59 billion. Earnings is coming up. 9.59 Match. Yeah, I think this has a lot of room to go. I mean, Match is trading at a 43 billion. I mean, they have a lot more stuff going on, but I think Bumble could definitely go up there, and it's just IPO'd. It looks good, but I'm definitely not going into the trade right now because we made a huge move from the bottom. Right now, approximately a 17% move. So no, I am not going to play this, but I do really like it. I'm actually going to set an alert here. If we could run it back down here, I will look for a long entry. But this is only legit if this is the top. So we got to wait. This is an obvious ABC correction. So from the top of wave 1, draw a fib retracement from the bottom to the top and look for the 0.61 to 0.78 entry and pair it with a potential, like right here, a potential demand zone right here. Which overlaps the 0.61. So this is where I will look for an entry. If it could get back there, I don't think Bumble's going to 20. I actually really like it. It came down really hard. And in terms of valuation, I think we have a lot of room to go. This is definitely not a relief bounce. If anything, this is an impulse. So I'll look for an entry here. Set my alert already. Good eye. Hopefully this works out in our favor. SOFI is great. Etsy is great. LYV and bingo. Only got 2 minutes, so let's try to speed this up. Garbage app. How do they make money if I never get any matches? I mean, I've tried a bunch of those dating apps. I actually met my girlfriend on Coffee Meets Bagel. I've never used. Well, actually, no, I did use Bumble back then, but I don't know. I don't know how they make money. I've never done research into their fundamentals, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. This looks like a 5-wave down, so I think this is a relief bounce right now. I think we're going lower. This is an impulse down. So whoever acts, just be careful. This is a relief bounce. Potentially something like this. And then you continue lower from there. Just be careful. To the down, I like this more to the downside. Obviously, again, this is a relief bounce potentially happening. BNGO. Okay, BNGO looks good. We actually spoke about this on the Benzinga show last time. As long as it remains above 526 to 596, I am projecting a move higher to break this 9.10 level. So good luck to you. This seems like wave 2 is in already. VEEEE. What is this? I've never heard of this. All right, I have nothing. I have nothing on this, bro. I'm so sorry, Roman. This has 2 days worth of data. I can't. This is an IPO. I literally can't help you on this one, my friend. I'm sorry. All right, we're done with the tickers because it's almost time to go. Let me just finish up Snap since someone asked. Do I think that we are going to go higher? I love Snap. This was actually posted in our Discord server to enter at this demand level, the 58 level. This is wave 1. This is an obvious wave 1. This is an ending diagonal wave 5, ABC correction down. I'm just trying to look for another entry. I really like Snapchat. When is earnings though? Oh, shoot. Earnings was today? Wait, we gotta go. Just give me a little more time. Oh, geez, it is up so much. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's already up to 73. God damn it. Yeah, we entered here and we said there's going to be a stronger move up, but wow, I did not expect it to gap up that much again. I will have to update you again next time because I don't know exactly where we will go. I need to find a pivot high before I could tell you anything, but definitely looking for an entry on a pullback for wave 2. But all right, guys, time is up. Please smash the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys make a ton of money. I will continue fixing up my Airbnb now. So have a great day, y'all. Bye-bye. The broker is TradingView. Well, it's not a broker. It's a charting platform, TradingView. Discord link is in the bio. Thank you guys for coming. Smash the like button. Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Am I still connected?